Oh my God, I dropped one. Hello everybody, today I have a special kind of video. I don't think I've ever filmed a video here. If I have, I don't remember, but I'm in the kitchen and this is cooking with the baddest. If y'all don't know who the baddest is me, aka David, aka Daveedd, whatever you want to call me. Bitch! But hear me out. What meal I want to prepare for you guys today? Well, for me, okay, I seen somebody do, I don't know who did it, but somebody did it, and I'm finna do it. So let's do it. What this meal requires is some bacon, and some and some jelly. Let me make sure this jelly ain't expired because sometime, July 24th, 2020.
I see it, I like it.
Okay, so first what I gotta do is wash this pan out because this is the pan that I wanna use and it's dirty. So let me wash it out. So we're drying this out and we're gonna take it over to the stove. Oh my God, don't fall. We're gonna take it over to the stove. This is the one we're gonna use to cook. And we're gonna turn this to like 5. Because this right here is the pan for the bacon. And this over here is gonna be the pan for, ooh, this pan is perfect. This is gonna be for the bagel, okay? I hope y'all can see this good enough. While this is heating up, let's go back over here and prepare the bacon. So, what I mean by preparing this bacon is that I'm gonna take this bacon and, oh wait, it's already in halves. Okay, well I don't need to do this step. I can just take the bacon and rip them apart like so. This is how you do this, okay? You don't want to put this bacon in, and I don't really like this kind of bacon because as you can see, it's really fatty. Like it's mostly fat and not a lot of meat, and that's not the move. That's not how you want the bacon. You want the bacon to have a lot of meat and a little bit of fat. Like Lizzo, that's the bitch that got a lot of meat and a lot of fat.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
But anyways, 4 pieces of bacon is enough. Put that in there and somebody can eat that tomorrow or something. I'm gonna wash my hands. We're going to go over here to the stove again. What we're gonna do is place our bacon strips in there. And you know, bacon is real dangerous, so you wanna be careful. Place the bacon in there, strip by strip. And yes. So now we're gonna turn on the thing for this over here.
Yes.
We'll put that at like 4. So we're gonna take some butter and a butter knife. We're going to put it in here. Ow, that bacon is popping me and it hurts. This is not coming off at all. There. So that's just gonna be like the base. I need a fork for the bacon. What we're gonna do is take a bagel. That sounds like a real like cook, y'all. I would like to see it. Y'all think I feel like a cook? No. I think I feel like a cook. So we're gonna take our bagel and we're gonna open it up in half. And also, we're gonna take some butter and spread it just a little bit on the bagel. I know what y'all thinking. Bitch, disgusting. It's just for a base, for when I put the bread on the pan, it don't burn like the bacon is doing. I thought the bacon was burning, and I was gonna be a little mad because I don't like my bacon to be hard and crunchy. We have a George Foreman grill, but that takes too long. That junk be taking like 10 minutes, and nobody got the time. So we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna saute it around. I don't know if that's the right word. I'm not a chef. But we're gonna take some more butter and put it in there. I'm definitely not a chef because this is like a lot for me to handle right now. My anxiety is kind of like stumbling all over the place. I think these bacons are ready to be taken off. So let's take the bacon off. Oh my God, I dropped one. I'm picking it up and I'm putting it back on there. I don't care. Let's turn this off and move this because like, why is it smoking so much? This is why I don't cook. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
Did y'all hear that?
Bitch, is you blind?
Let's focus the attention over here now. So the butter is on there and we're just gonna take the bread, put it on there like that. Just a rundown of stuff that happened. The bacon looks okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
It is a little crunchy, but I'm gonna eat it because I'm greedy and I'm hungry. But I did drop one of the pieces of bacon. Oops. I was getting scared because it was looking a little dangerous. I didn't want to die or anything. But let's check on the bread. The bread is cooking. I wish we could fit 2 of these pieces of bread on here. Let's try. Y'all think this is gonna be a bad idea?
Yes.
I think that's gonna be a bad idea. This bread is
just as I thought, trash.
Done. We're gonna have to push this one down on the thing like this. Yeah, that's good. Y'all wanna taste this, don't y'all?
Hell to the no, no.
You want it to be nice and buttery and nice and warm. So now we're gonna come back over here to our building station. Here's what we got at our building station. What I'm gonna do is put this on here like this. I'm gonna take the jelly and put it on this piece of bagel right here. I made a mistake and put the knife in there, so I'm gonna just do like this with my finger.
You nasty.
I'm eating it and my finger's clean, so mind your business. Do it like that. And there, what we have here is a jelly and bacon sandwich. Ooh, y'all wanna see me bite it and tell you how it tastes? Okay, so here's the first bite of it. Yeah! Y'all, I'm not saying this just because I just made it. I'm saying this because it's really good. It's good. Shout out to whoever thought of this idea. I don't know who thought of it. I seen it somewhere and I was like, I gotta try it. Maybe I just invented this. Am I tripping or did I just invent this? Regardless, it's good. Y'all should try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little different kind of video. This is cooking time with a baddie. Now my mom's gonna come right behind me and cook. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And this is dripping. And share this video with at least one person you know. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Wanna say bye? What are you doing?